gonna do a hairstyle with straws, literally straws. The products I'm using today are Shine and Define Mousse Curls Unleashed and Shape Me Custard Gel Lotta Body. So my hair is definitely damp all the way, kind of drenched. I just got out the shower, whatever you want to call it, it's wet. I've literally just been taking sections, mousse. From here you just want to smooth it in however you want to, break it in, you know what to do. About that much of Lotta Body. And again, smooth it in, rake it in. You know what to do. Taking a straw. Split that section. Take my denim brush, brush it a little bit. Yes, I am aware you cannot see this, but the view does get better as you keep watching. And I'm gonna wrap it as if it was a roller. This is me showing you that I am putting bobby pins in. Just to let you know, you have to hold it with something, obviously. So another view, and I'm showing you basically the bottom half. I do not do the bottom half like I do the rest. I'm rolling it and then I'm wrapping it. Does that make sense? I hope so. Just to show you again, I do put mousse and Lotta Body in all parts of my hair, and then I roll the end of it just because it's weird to like wrap it that way that I'm wrapping now. So roll the end, wrap the rest. I'm twisting my hand when I'm wrapping. Really hope you can see this. I just wanted to show you guys the takedown process. It took forever. Oh my god. If you can't tell, I totally missed a spot, and I'm going to have to put another straw on and let this little spot dry. I'm so upset with myself, but it's all in the learning process. Take your time, learn from my mistakes. Alright, finally finished taking the straws out, and now I'm trying to pick it, trying to adjust it the way I like it, because the way it came out honestly looked horrible, and I was terrified, and I didn't know what to do. So this is me trying to like spiff it up, trying to make it look nice, trying to hopefully realize that this was not a waste of time, because this took a lot of time. So I'm just trying to, untwist it with my hair, trying to fix it with my hands, get in there, make it look nice. Alright, so these are pictures that, of the aftertape. I hated how it looked when it first came out. This is exactly how it looked when it first came out. This is how it looked when I picked it and, messed with it on my hands. I didn't really like it at first, but then I got into it. As you can see, it became bigger and fluffier, and I loved it. So, I ended up liking it a couple of days afterward, but I didn't like it at first. So maybe you just have to play with it more. Maybe you have to, fix it to your liking, whatever. But thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe, share with your friends. Tell me how bad I did, because I know y'all love doing that. Tell me how good I did, because, that's surprising, and that would definitely come in handy.